Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit structural beam families. Adding beams are not typical for interior design projects, but it is needed for the Eames House project. You may use this information for an open ceiling plan of commercial projects as well. You can find beam from the Structure tab under the Structure panel. If you are missing the Structure tab, click Home menu. Click Option. Click User Interface. Check Structure Table and Tools. Click OK. To see the structural elements in solid shapes instead of lines, the view detail level must be fine. Please update all floor plans, ceiling plans, and elevations to fine on a detail level. First, add beams. Step 1. Click Beam on Structure. Step 2. Select W shapes W5x5. If you do not have a W5x5 type, please add one by clicking Edit Type. Duplicate. Name the type. Edit width and height to 5. Step 3. Select Level, Level 2 from option bar. Modify/place beam for the west wall of the building. Step 4. Click the center of the north column of the west wall, and click the center of the south column of the west wall. You may get a warning message, but it is okay. Click X. Step 5. Confirm the place from the 3D view by clicking the house icon from Quick Access and hide site information by category. Update the 3D view scale to 3/8 inches equals 1 foot. Step 6. Open the 3D view, west elevation, and the floor plan together by typing WT. Step 7. The beam must be rotated to 90 degrees. Click the beam, and change the properties. Change cross-section rotation to 90 degree. The beam location needs to be aligned from the top view of the 3D view. Use Move, MV, command to move the beam to be aligned. Step 8. See the west elevation and move the beam to align with the imported image. Move command will not work. Thus, update Y offset value to 1 foot 1 1/2 inch. Step 9. For other beams, repeat step 1 through step 8. You may select all beams that you created and change the properties, step 6 and 7. Or copy elements that have the same properties. Complete beams for the second floor and the roof exterior beams, and the second level interior beams. Second, add new beams from a new family. Step 1. Click Load Family on Insert tab. Step 2. Download LH Series bar joist.rfa from the Student Exercises package. Step 3. Find the folder and select the file, and open. Step 4. On Roof Plan, click Beam on the Structure tab. Step 5. Click North column and South column to create the bar joist. Step 6. Edit the family type to match the imported drawing. Step 7. Copy, shortcut, CO, the first bar joist for the other bar joists. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit structural beam families. Thank you.